In today's session, we are going to see how to create a multimedia ad inside a Microsoft Ads account. So once you log into your account, guys, we can go to the campaigns page where we can select the campaign in which we want to create this ad. So let's say we are creating in the campaign called website visits April 1. Once we are inside the campaign, we can select the ad group as well in which this ad needs to be created. And then we can go to the ads and extensions tab to start creating this ad. So here on this page, guys, we can click on plus create, and from here we can start the process. So the first thing which we'll have to do is we'll select the ad type to be multimedia ad. So in a multimedia ad, guys, we have to provide few details out here, as you can see. So the first thing we'll have to provide is the final URL. Final URL is going to be the landing page of the website, okay, where people will reach once they click on our ad. So here we can provide the final URL in this manner. Then we can start providing the short headline, long headline as well into the ad. So like this, we can provide all the information. We can give more information as well about the business. The more information you give, the higher are the chances of people clicking on our ads. So we can provide the ad text as well. And then finally, we can give the business name out here. If you have any mobile specific URL as well, a mobile website URL that you can provide in this specific section. Apart from this, we will also be adding some images. So on the right hand side, you will have the option to select certain images in this manner. So the multiple images would be a great idea, so which you can make use of out here. So now you can see the preview of the ad, how it is going to look like in this specific manner. So these are going to be all the details which we are providing. You can also provide a language in which you have want the information to be, okay, and then choose the particular call to action phrase as well out here. So like this, we can provide a call to action phrase, and now you can see how the ad is going to look like. In this manner, we will be able to go ahead and create a multimedia ad, guys, inside our Microsoft Ads account, and then this will run on the network of Microsoft. I hope this makes sense and now you understand how to create this ad. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.